You are going to love the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, tire pressure monitor, outside temperature gauge, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.